Good day, kids! What we are going to talk about today is multiplying a number by 10 and 5. What is 1 times 10? The answer is 10. Ano naman ang kalahati ng 10? Ito ay katumbas ng 1 times 5. Ang kalahati ng 10 ay 5. What is 2 times 10? The answer is 20. What is half of 20? The answer is 10. 10 is actually half of 20, and it's also 2 times 5. What is 3 times 10? The answer is 30. And what is half of 30? Half of 30 is 15. 15 is actually 3 times 5. What is 4 times 10? 4 times 10 is 40. And half of 40 is equal to 20. 20 is actually 4 times 5. What is 5 times 10? 5 times 10 is equal to 50. What is half of 50? Half of 50 is 25 and is actually 5 times 5. What is 6 times 10? The answer is 60. What is half of 60? Half of 60 is 30 and it is actually 6 times 5. What is 7 times 10? The answer is 70. And half of 70 is equal to 35. And 35 is actually 7 times 5. What is 8 times 10? 8 times 10 is equal to 80. And what is half of 80? Half of 80 is 40. And 40 is actually 8 times 5. What is 9 times 10? 9 times 10 is equal to 90. What is half of 90? Half of 90 is 45, and it is actually 9 times 5. What is 10 times 10? The answer is 100. What is half of 100? Half of 100 is 50, and it is actually 10 times 5.
Walang kulelat sa math. Walang kulelat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children. Walang kulelat sa math.